The former commandant of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, Michael Oga, don tok say he no get any gain from the seized Premium Motor Spirit (PMS) wey belong to members of the National Union of Petroleum and Natural Gas Workers. The union blocked the entrance of the command for the state for one we no go gree waka on Wednesday to ask for the return of their 3 trucks wey dey loaded with fuel. Dem con tell tori pipo say the former commandant, Michael Oga, don sell the product and come paint the trucks with another color. But for one talk with tori pipo, Michael Oga con tok say he follow due process and then pay the money wey dem get from the product to federal government account. E con still tok say the persons wey come out come do we no go gree waka want make him comot from Port Harcourt sake of say him dey always fight against oil bunkering.
In this document, you can see is a handing over note. It's handing over note from the Joint Task Force Against Crime in Rivers State that was set up by His Excellency Governor Wike. This is handing over note this thing was done in August. Then here you have the court judgment from Federal High Court. This is court judgment from Federal High Court to that this proceed of crime should be forfeited to the federal government. After this, we didn't go direct to the auctioneer. We need to do a publication so that those who are interested in the matter may come. Last year, as October, nobody came. This is the one from a local tabloid known as Surveillance. All these actions were taken in order to avoid what happened. This action took place last year. Nobody came. So I'm very sure it is enemy of Nigeria who are involved in truncating our effort to stop illegal bunkering in Nigeria that sponsored this set of men that came here. They mentioned some names that somebody sponsored them to come and demonstrate so that I will be transferred to another place.
From Port Harcourt, Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.